On top with tori for today, Oshodi Abule-Egba BRT corridor go ready finish for May. Na Sanwo na tok dis one. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo don tok say serious work dey shele for BRT corridor wey dey from Oshodi go reach Abule-Egba. As im waka go do check on top the project, na im come dey tok say work go finish for the corridor for May dis year. Sanwo yarn say construction work wey don dey shele for the project body don dey go far as e be say dem start the work for the last administration and say na Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority (LAMATA) na im dey chook eye put for the work. The governor tok say once the work complete, people wey dey stay for the area go enjoy am because e go make transportation easy for dem well. Make una sabi say e pass 200 mass transit bus wey Lagos State government go put for the corridor make e begin work, and dem go add bus join the corridor once dem know how traffic dey reach for the area. Sanwo tok say dem begin think about the BRT corridor matter because say dem wan reduce traffic and transport katakata wey dey for Oshodi Abule-Egba, and say once the work complete, dem go begin see say traffic and transport katakata no go dey the road again, and the first phase of the work go complete for May ending because na 75% of the work na im dem don do reach. E still tok say wetin remain na to complete the bus shelters dem plus pavements and terminals. The governor tok say Lagos State government go soon dey clean gutter wey dey for Katangora market, and na there na dem go put the BRT lane. This first phase of the project go get 14 bus stations wey go dey for Abule-Egba and Oshodi. 5 of the stations go be two-way and dem go dey face two sides for expressway, then the other 9 go be medium stations. Street light sef go dey the road make waka easy for people wey dey for pedestrian bridge. That's na bridge wey people dey use leg dey waka pass. Governor Babajide Sanwo tok say once work finish for the first phase, dem go begin work for the second phase wey go dey from Abule-Egba go reach Sanwo, and that one go shele later this year. He still tok say dem go carry BRT corridor go reach Ogun State border so that dem go fit reduce the traffic wey dey for Lagos-Abeokuta expressway. And as e be say dis kind ogbonge thing go make life easy for Lagos people wey dey stay for the border area. The governor come tok say make dem no dey carry dirty dey throway anyhow for BRT corridor, and say Lagos State government no go allow make people dey do one-way driving for BRT road. Na here we see dis ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say Governor of Lagos State Babajide Sanwo don yarn say work go soon complete for Oshodi Abule-Egba BRT corridor. Make una sabi say na T-Live Media na im carry dis ogbonge informate come give una. And to dey get more of dis ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Like, comment and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T-Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.